on this poppy field, or wildflowers. So we're just gonna go for a drive, see what we find. Charlie Dogg. We're gonna go straight that way. Cars over there, so I don't know, we're going on an adventure. I have no idea where we're going. Just follow the dirt road and see where it takes us. It is so windy! Super windy out. I gotta stand behind the Jeep so I can talk. Anyway, there's nobody here. Yesterday it was full of dirt bikes and ATVs and Jeeps and all kinds of off-road vehicles. So you can see the poppies over there. So I noticed they grow facing south. They grow much better facing southern mountain side or hillside. Puppies and poppies. Puppy. There's the puppy! Puppy! And the poppies! Puppies and poppies! Dog! We're gonna go for a little hike. See all the poppies. gonna go for a little hike. See what's at the top of the mountain here. Saw some people hiking here yesterday, so we get some good views up here. Charlie's leading the charge. This is a bit of a hike up here. Whew! Look at this though. So amazing. All right, look at Charlie. What are you doing? Four legs are better than two. So yesterday when we were here, we walked around a little bit. We can go hiking up mountains like this. Look at how high we are. Anyway, Charlie slept like a baby. He was out cold as soon as we got back to the house. So, I think we're both going to be pretty tired after today. See Charlie up there doing some recon. There's another level up. Wow. Look at the trails out there. So much to go and explore. We're almost to the top. It's getting windy and rocky. Wow. Woo! Windy. Wow. There's poppies everywhere. There's snow in the mountains. Super windy up here. Wow. Look at this view. That's awesome. And the Charlie Dogg. Actually, that's the peak over there. We're gonna go over there. Let's go up to the top. Keep going. Don't quit on me now. Don't be a quitter. Don't be a quitter. Go. Big boulders up at the top here. Maybe we can find a little shade. It's gnarly. Maybe some wildlife hiding out in there. Never know out here. It's the desert. Foxes or something. We'll see. Alright, we made it to the top. It's super windy. But we made it. Up the mountain. Alright, let's go check out these rocks. A little bit of a break from the wind. over here maybe. Oh, there we go. It's quiet. Don't see any critters. Let's take a load off, Charlie Dogg. You wanna go exploring? What's this? Wanna take a little rest? Huh? Charlie Dogg? Small critters or something? No critters. Don't find any either. Okay, go. Let's go. I get a couple of shots from the top here. Top of the mountain. Solar farms over there. There's the wind again. It's gotta be 75-mile-an-hour winds. This is blowing me over. So we're not gonna go that way. Alright, Charlie, let's go. Ready to go? Okay, let's go. Go. It is so windy. Being blown over. Too, because he's less than half of my feet. He's doing okay though. No pee in the wind. You don't get any fresher air than this. These trails. Hundreds of trails scattered all over the valley. And there's my Jeep way down there. Alright, we're heading back down. Should be a little easier. Actually, it's a little harder on the knees, but it's alright. That was a good hike. Not having a good hair day. But oh well. That's where we're going. Following the scout. Charlie the Scout. Much quieter. Less wind down here. Oh wow, look at the cloud just covered half the field. Darkness is upon us. These are super cool. Such a good boy. He waits for me now. Make sure I'm okay. Good sidekick. What are you doing? Just waiting? Alright, we're done here. Say goodbye to the poppies. Here, up. There you go. Good boy. You ready to go home? You want to go home? Bye.